y'all, Bridget Bartlett here with visionmarketinganddesign.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can find and create a website domain name. So the host that I use is Bluehost. Once you create an account, you'll see a screen here that has all of your domains, or you can just choose domains on the left-hand side. You can click Add Domain. And then from here, you just want to start searching. So if you're brand new to marketing online, I just recommend you using your name. It's easier. You can always create subdomains. So for instance, if I was wanting to create a subdomain for my Bluehost link, it could be bluehost.bridgetbartlett.com. It's actually better to not use a company name in your domain. And the reason is a lot of the times you will create all this content around that domain name, and if the company decides to change their terms or they come after you and say, hey, you can't do that, then you have to change all of this content up. So it's just easier to not use whatever your affiliate or your business name that you're promoting in your actual domain. So if I wanted to create a branded domain for Bluehost, I could choose web hosting or domain hosting.bridgetbartlett.com. So you see where I'm going here. So we're just going to choose bridgetbartlett.com, and you can see that I actually already own that. So it says taken. So you can see here are the options though. So my name is taken, and it's going to give you other options though that you can use. But what I'm going to do today, and this is the reason I created this video, is I need to create a new domain name for my Builderall account. Builderall has changed their terms, and they will no longer let me use builderallvision.com, which is what I was using for my affiliate link. So now I need to find something else that does not say Builderall. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try digital marketing tool.com. I'm sure this is already taken, but I just want to prove a point. So you can see these are already taken. This says online. It's always better if you can to choose a .com over something else. Also, choosing one of the domains like with a hyphen, that's really hard if you're doing a YouTube video to say go to digital-marketing-tool.com. That just doesn't come out very easily. Or if you're doing a Facebook Live or something, you just want to make something that you can just say and people will understand. So before I would choose a hyphen, I would definitely choose one of these like digital-marketing-tool.online or .net or something like that. So I basically will just keep going through here until I find the domain name that I want. Okay, so I've gone through all of the names here, and I finally settled on visionmarketingtools.com. And my thought process is, it's an all-in-one digital marketing platform. So my marketing agency is called visionmarketinganddesign.com. So it seems like it would be a good fit to call the platform that we use Vision Marketing Tools. So I have already checked. It says it's available, so I'm just going to go ahead and add it to my cart. Hit next. And we'll go ahead and say automatically renew. I never use the privacy part here. I'll just hit agree, add to the cart. And then I'm going to go ahead and process my order, and then I will show you what I do after that. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've purchased it. You see I have it for a year. They give you free protection for a month. And now I need to assign the domain name. So I'm going to click here. And then I'm going to choose the domain that I just purchased, visionmarketingtools.com. I'm going to add on domain. I don't want to use an existing. I'll create a new directory and then assign the domain. Okay, so looks like I hit that more than once. So you can see now this domain is parked within my account. So to connect a domain to a website, you need to just go back to the domains menu, go to click My Domains. You're going to look for the domain that you want to connect. You're going to click Manage. And then you'll go to Name Servers. Now what we need to do is we need to change these name servers to the servers that we want to, where our website is being hosted. So I am going to connect this to a Builderall website that I've already created. So now I'm going to connect the new domain that I just purchased to my Builderall affiliate website. So I'm going to go to the affiliates section of my Builderall back office. I'm going to go over here to where it says funnels and home. And then I'm just simply going to click connect domain. Okay, so now I'm just going to type in my domain name here. Vision Marketing Tools. And then you see there's directions here, okay? So it's saying that we need to change the name servers to this and this. So I'm simply just going to copy and paste. So I'm going to copy the first one. I'm going to go back over to Bluehost. I'm going to choose custom. I'm going to paste the first one here. Then I'm going to go back to the Builderall website, and then I'm going to copy the second one. And then I'm going to go back to Bluehost and paste again. And then I'm going to click save. And that is literally it. We go back to Builderall, we hit save. Now it does say that it takes an hour to 48 hours to propagate, but within an hour to 48 hours, usually within a few minutes, my Builderall affiliate link will go from looking, and it just did. It went from that long URL to just visionmarketingtools.com. So you can see how easy, if I was doing a YouTube video and saying, hey, if you want to try Builderall for free for 7 days, go to visionmarketingtools.com. So after you've connected the domain name to your affiliate site, you want to click Activate SSL. You can see I've done that here and it is processing. That will make sure that you do have a secure connection. When people are putting in their payments, you want to make sure that everything is secure for them. And I hope you found some value in this. I hope you have a great day. See you in my next video.